how to schedule an email in Gmail. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to schedule an email in the Gmail. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the Gmail app on your mobile device and tap on the Compose button available at the bottom right corner of your screen to write down a new email. Now, once you do so, simply type down the recipient name, subject, and the messages of your email. Fill it in. Now, once you fill it in, simply tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, there is more option available there. Once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Then tap on the Schedule Send. Now, all you have to do is select a time or tap Pick Date and Time to choose your own. Now, all you have to do is choose your time and the date and simply tap on the Done or Schedule Send to finish it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.